some motherfucking
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well, and I will be reacting to August D The Last. It's from his mixtape August D and The Last. This is a song that I want to react to today, and I will be of course looking at the lyric video because I want to know the meaning of the song. And I actually found out about this song with Rise of Bangtan. It was playing in one of the episodes in Rise of Bangtan and I was so fascinated by it. So I definitely, I was so intrigued because there was a bit of, the lyrics really intrigued me, and the song also sounded amazing. And as of now that I'm shooting this video today, I just found out like a couple of minutes back only that Yoongi has been diagnosed with COVID. He is COVID positive. He just returned back, right? So he has been tested positive. So wishing him a very speedy recovery. Though Big Hit has released the statement that he's at home and he's not showing any symptoms. So that's good. That's a good sign. And yeah, just I hope he's rested and he's with his family. So I'm happy with that. And I just hope he recovers like absolutely soon. So, and you guys also please stay safe because Omicron is there, and I know we are on holiday season, and yeah, we want to go out and chill with our friends and all, but just let's be all careful. So yes, coming back to the song, let's listen to The Last by August D. Yoongi, Sugar, Yo. Okay, wait. All right.
잘 나가는 아이돌 래퍼 그 이면에 나 약한 자신이 서있어 조금 위험해 우울증 강박대대로 다시금 도주 Hell no 어쩌면 그게 내 부모습일지도 몰라 damn 현실의 괴리감 이상가의 갈등 아픈 머리가 dengi피증이 생겨버린 게 18살쯤 그래 그때쯤 내 정신은 점점 모여대 가끔씩 나도 내가 무서워.
So this is the part that was playing in Rise of Bangtan, that when I was 18 my social phobia started and all of that. The music, I know he only probably produced the beat. If not, let me know. It's beautiful. It's so haunting. I love that. Plus, it's his voice. Every time he raps, something about him, he can just nail the emotion. Even if I was not knowing the meaning, I would have understood just listening to the song that he's angry or he's sad, he's frustrated, he's happy. He can just modulate his voice in such a way that I just immediately get the emotion.
dengi피증이 생겨버린 게 18살쯤 그래 그때쯤 내 정신은 점점 모여대 가끔씩 나도 내가 무서워.
Thanks to my self-hatred.
자기 혐오와 다시 놀러 와버린 우울증 덕분에 이미 민연기는 죽었어. 죽은 여전과 난과 비교하는 게 나의 일상이 돼버린 지 오래 정신과 처음 간다. 부모님이 올라오 같이 상담을 받았지. 부모님만 날 잘 모르 내 자신도 날 잘 모르. 그렇다면 누가 알까 친구 I don't know. 그 누구도 날 잘 몰라. 의사 선생님이 내게 물었어 저기 있냐고 주저없이 나는 말했어 그런 적 있다고 어른처럼 하는 말 I don't give a shit, I don't give a fuck 그딴 말들 전부 다날 간날 숨기려 하는 말 지우고픈 그때 그래 기억조차 나지 않는 너는 공연하는 날 사람들이 무서워 화장실에 숨어버린 나를 마주하던 나 그때
Oh my god.
그때 난 성공이다 보상할 줄 알았지.
I'm sorry, I'm feeling so sad just reading the lyrics. I'm feeling so sad just reading the lyrics. He's literally talking about his depression. He's literally talking about his mental health.
근데 말해 내 말에 시간이 지날수록 괴물이 된 기분이야 처음 아파가 나의 성공이란 괴물은 더큰 부러워 내 무기였던 욕심을 때려 날 집어삼키고 망치며 때려 목줄을 걸어 어떤 이들은 내 입을 틀어 막으면서 나가를 삼키라 해 I don't want it 그들은 내가 이 동산에서 나가길 원하는 shit shit
Dude, his voice, Yoongi! You know, the way he raps, he's just gonna completely like just make you forget everything, and he's like, pay attention. Pay attention. How does he do this, man? How does he do this? I don't know. He's such a good rapper. He's such a good artist. And I'm so proud of this guy, man. The line in the beginning where he said that in the first counseling session with the psychiatrist, he went and then he was thinking that even I don't know me. So how will you know? How will you know who I am? Even I don't know who I am. And he's like, I killed Min Yoongi. I traded my youth. I killed Min Yoongi and I've become a monster, and this monster is success. I traded my youth for this. See, this is proof that money cannot give you everything. It can give you a lot of things. But that one thing, there will always be a void. There will always be a void. Money can give you a lot of things. Like, the dude is, successful. Everybody knows him. Everybody knows his talent. He's rich. The guy is rich, yes. His future generations are going to be very happy. Whenever his kids are going to be very thankful. But I know for a fact that Yoongi is going to teach his kids what the value of money is because of the background that he came up from. He knows that. Now Yoongi kids, what they do, I don't know. But I am pretty sure he's going to ensure his kids know that his story. They will anyway know his story because everything is going to be on the internet. So when the kid grows up or the kids grow up, they're going to read about their dad. So it's all out there in the open. Wow. This song, just the way. His voice.
어떤 이들은 내 입을 틀어 막으면서 나가를 삼키라 해 I don't want it 그들은 내가 이 동산에서 나가길 원하는 shit shit 알겠으니까 제발 그만해
I don't know if they listen to their older song, like if Yoongi would want to listen to his mixtape and say he's listening to the last. It would be so painful. Now I know he's in a much better mental place now and he's happy and stuff. This is my assumption. Like, he looks happy, but you never know what a person is thinking unless and until you are close, in that person's inner circle. So only Yoongi knows, or his family knows, or the rest of the members and his close friends know. But at least as an army, as an outsider looking at the journey, at least we know that he's probably, maybe he's not fully mentally at peace, but somewhere he is. At least it's better than what he's talking about here. That's what I feel.
이 모든 일들의 근원은 나니까 나 스스로 그만둘게 내 불행이 니들의 행복이라면 기꺼이 불행해줄게 증오의 대상의 나라면 기어틴에 올라서줄게
Oh. That gunshot at the end.
상상만 하던 것이 현실이 돼 어디저 꿈이 내 눈앞에 꼴랑두명 앞에 공연하던 족밥이 젠더 켜더미 내 코앞에 한번 사는 인생 누구보다 화끈하게 대접사는 건 아무나 해 My fam, my homie, my fam 걱정 말 나 이제 정말 괜찮아 내 본질을 부정했던 게 숫자라 내 주선 아이돌 부정은 나를 수차례 정신을 파고들던 문의 방황의 끝 정답은 없어 내 팔아먹었다고 생각했던 자존심이 이제 나의 자긍심 돼 팬들아 떳떳이 고개 들기 누가 나만큼은 세이코에서 롤렉스 악스에서 체조내 서치탑은 거리는 수만 명들의 고개 쇼미더머니 못한 게 아니라 안 한 거라고 shit 우리 팔아먹던 너는 안 한 게 아니라
Has he performed this live? Please let me know. Like literally, please let me know.
수만 명들의 고개 한이 나은 날 똑똑히 나를 봐 우리 팔아먹던 너네 나는 게 아니라 못한 거라고 Shit.
Oh, what a, this is the last line? This is the last line. Like, you see, it's not that I couldn't do Show Me the Money that I said I wouldn't.
한이 나은 날
And,
똑똑히
oh, the next
나를 봐
line. The next.
우리 팔아먹던 너
This is to like get burn all. Huh? Put burn all on the haters. It's not that you guys who betrayed us didn't do it. It's that you just couldn't. You couldn't do it because you couldn't achieve that level of success that we did. Whew! Burn all! Give them burn all! Woohoo!
너네 나는 게 아니라 못한 거라고 Shit.
This industry might have a lot of flaws, K-pop industry, but one thing that it gave me is my happiness for rap. This is the rap that I want to listen to. This is the rap that I want to listen to. Filled with emotion, filled with raw emotion. Oh my god. How Yoongi is just on another level. I am sorry. This artist, like, you cannot, like, he cannot be compared with anybody. I'm sorry. He's his own league. He is his own league. He is his own league. Like, literally, he's just class apart. This guy, my goodness. What a great producer. What a great rapper. His cadence just baffles me all the time. It just baffles me. I don't know like how he made it happen. Was it God gifted, or did he work on his voice modulation? I just don't know. But I'm in love with it. I am in love with it. When he does his rap with this aggression, I can totally feel the passion. When he does that, I'm dead in the best possible way. It's fantastic. I loved this. You already know from the... I loved this. I wish this had an MV. I wish this had an MV. Really, armies. So yeah, that was the reaction. I'm gonna end this was the last video for today that I was recording, and what an end, man. What a power-packed ending to my recording session right now. Once again, I wish Yoongi a very, very speedy recovery, and it's good that he's asymptomatic. And this song just made my evening. This song just made my evening. Wow. Wow. I wish usually I don't say it, but literally when I was listening to this, I was thinking, probably this is the rarest of times I feel that I wish I knew the language. I wish I knew Korean just to appreciate the wordplay, because I don't know what kind of wordplay he's using. I am just reading the translation. But there are certain songs where I really, really like, rap songs where I really want to see the wordplay, the rhyme scheme and all of that. I really want to see it. And for this song, when I was listening, when the song was happening, I was thinking, I wish I knew this language so that I could just appreciate 200%. Like, I could appreciate other aspects of the song, not just the meaning of the song, not just his flow and his cadence, but I just wish I could appreciate the rhyme scheme and the wordplay as well, which of course is a barrier for me because of the language. So yes, I will leave it at there, and that was the reaction, guys, to August D, the last just absolutely fantastic, fire. And yes, with that I will end the video, armies, over here. And yep, I'll see you soon on my next video, guys. Happy holidays. Bye bye.
You are the cause of my euphoria.